welcome back to my channel. I am fresh off of my trip to go see Mrs. Unicorn, aka Diamond Painting with Ash Ink 93. Look her up here on YouTube. Give her a subscribe if you haven't yet. She's wonderful. She puts out great videos, and she is just an all-around amazing person. I love her so much. I can't wait till we can see each other again, hopefully soon. No, we didn't create any YouTube footage of our visit. So yeah, and we didn't make any, but you know, in the future possibly we'll get together and do a video together and upload it. That would be awesome. Can't wait. But while I was gone, I had something delivered. This is a package from a brand new Etsy shop. Many of you know her from my lives. She's always in my lives. Beth Minton. She was the one that made me the Hot Wheels cover minders and send them to me. And I love them so much. They were so awesome. And she messaged me before my trip and said, hey, my Etsy shop is up and running finally, and take a look and tell me what you think. She's got a great shop, y'all. Go check her out. I will put the link down here in the description so you can go check out Beth's Etsy page, which she has named Whimsical Daisys. So that's the name of the Etsy shop that Beth Minton owns. And I, of course, as soon as I looked at this page, I said, you know what? I have to order these cover minders because they are right up my alley. So I ordered them, and she sent them out, and they were received here while I was on vacation. The people I had taken care of, Hank, got my mail for me and left it on my desk. So when I came home, this was sitting there waiting for me. So let's take a look at them in person. I can't wait to see them. I'm loving these. Yeah, I can't get it open. Beth, you wrapped it too good. I'm tired. I just got done driving. I left Tennessee. Oh, there's Hank. Hi, Hank. He's looking out the window. I left Alabama yesterday morning around 11 o'clock. And I started heading north. And my son had messaged me yesterday morning telling me that we had a baby on the way. A little granddaughter was on the way. She was in the delivery room at the moment when he texted me. So I swung through the Memphis area and stopped at the hospital, and I got to hold my brand new baby granddaughter just hours after she was born. That was so special. So amazing. It just capped off the most amazing weekend of my entire life. Okay, well, Beth, you can see, wrapped it good in paper and in tape. Doesn't want anybody to get in these boxes, that's for sure. Especially old tired men that have been driving for... I did stop and take a 5-hour nap somewhere halfway across Missouri. I'm not even sure where it was. I just saw a rest area and said, you know what, I'm tired. I think I'll stop. And I meant to take a 2-hour nap, and I took a 5-hour nap. That's how that works. Okay, now we can finally get into it. Ooh, nice. Bubble wrapped very well. And, oh, she sent the cards. These were the cover minders actually came on these. They are NASCAR Authentics die casts. Both of them are Chase Elliott raced versions. So Chase Elliott is my favorite NASCAR driver. If nobody knows, if you don't understand NASCAR, Bill Elliott was a legendary driver in NASCAR. His son is now a NASCAR driver and is becoming very successful. And he's also he's always the fans' choice for most popular driver in the fan voting every year. So Chase Elliott is the new popular driver since Dale Jr. retired. And this is Chase Elliott's raced version, number 9 Mountain Dew Chevy Camaro. As you can see, it's got the confetti all over the top, just as it was in Victory Lane at the end of the race. They actually take these cars and they take the car and they take very good detailed photographs of the car in Victory Lane with the confetti and everything on it, and they transform that into a paint job for a die cast to match the actual car. This was the car that Chase won. I don't remember which race it was that he won. I don't remember. But that one came with a magnet, a refrigerator magnet, which when a NASCAR driver wins a race, he gets this sticker to put on the roofline of his car right here to designate that he won a race and that he's eligible to advance into the playoffs. And the driver sticks it on the car in Victory Lane. Well, this is a magnet. It's made to resemble that sticker. And that was included with the car on the package when it was purchased. These were actually store-bought NASCAR Authentics. So, and then this one here is kind of special to me. He was the winner of the Gander Outdoors 400 in Dover, Delaware. And Dover is the track I used to go to every race at before I moved to North Dakota. And so to see Chase's car from where he won there last year at Dover really is nice. And of course this one is the race win version, just like the other. It's got the confetti. And it's got the body, it's got the paint job just like his car would have been in Victory Lane that day. And they are cover minders. And she included the magnets, the bottom parts of the magnets for them. So we'll stick those on. Oh, it doesn't stick on that one. So much fun trying to push magnets together that don't belong together. There we go. We'll put that one there. And we'll put that one there. And I'll put the cars on the little cards here for you to see them. Those are the backing cards they came in at the store. And then that came with a card, and she put it in a sleeve. Thank you, Beth. That's awesome. If I ever get to meet Chase, I'm going to get that signed. And I think this one here was his Talladega race win last year, when he won Talladega in 2018. If I'm not mistaken. But there they are, cover minders. Chase Elliott, 64 scale die casts, the same size as a Hot Wheel car, basically. And they are NASCAR Authentics, so they're very authentic down to the paint job the day that they were raced. And they're great cover minders. Those are very unique, and there's no other ones like them in the world. So I can say I've got the only two like them right now, unless Beth makes more. So thank you very much, Beth. You are amazing. You do great work. I will look forward to using these. And again, I will link her Etsy shop down here in the description. And until next time, rock on, y'all.